Been getting a lot of questions about roof pricing, so I want to show you this house. It's a really good example here. If you were to Google the square footage of this house, you would find out that it's 4,080 square feet. We have a full basement under this house, so the house is actually 2,040 square feet. So if you threw a price at this house based off of the square footage in line, you'd be double the price that you need to be. But let's go a little deeper into that. Okay, so we have 2,040 square feet in the house, but we also have 1,012 square feet in this garage, 3-stall garage. Okay, and then even furthermore, guys, we've got 403 square feet on those overhangs, all the way around the house with a hip, 400 square feet. So what we got here is that on your first estimate at 2,040, you'd have a $510 job. When you figure in the garage and the overhangs, this is a $1,016 job. So you cut your profit in half by not going out and visiting the job and knowing how to correctly bid this job. So I hope that helps somebody in your process. I just got done talking to another guy on that, so I just wanted to share that with you. There's a lot more to this, just scrapping the square footage off a line. So I hope that helps somebody. Have a great day. It's Jim with Sprayway Soft Wash, serving the greater Mankato, Minnesota area. 507-381-4597 or spraymyroof.com.